India is the second largest internet market in the world, with more than 760 million active internet users. The Supreme Court of India recognized the right to privacy in a 2017 verdict, and in August 2023, the Indian Parliament passed a comprehensive data protection bill, the Digital Personal Data Protection (DPDP) Act. Our data is precious. In the digital age, the protection of personal data is of paramount importance. Now it's protected. Introducing India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023. Your shield in the Digital Personal Data Protection, DPDP. Act is a pivotal framework designed to safeguard the privacy and security of personal information belonging to Indian citizens. What is the Act? This law ensures that your personal data, like name, phone number, or email, is collected, stored, and used responsibly. When and where will the DPDP Act apply? The law applies to digital personal data. Personal data means any data about an individual who can be identified using that data. A person's name, mobile number, bank account, photograph, signature, Aadhaar details, etc. will be classified as personal data as they can be used to identify an individual. You have rights. You can know how your data is used, correct it if it's wrong, delete it if it's not needed, or file a complaint if it's misused. What is it? It's a law that gives you more control over your personal data. It sets rules for companies on how they can use your information, making sure they do it responsibly and with your permission. Who can be affected? Everyone in India who uses digital services, basically anyone who goes online. This includes using social media, online shopping, banking apps, and more. It also affects companies that handle this data. Why was it made? In today's world, our data is constantly being collected online. This law was created to protect people from misuse of their data, like unwanted sharing or selling of information without consent. It aims to balance the need for businesses to use data with the individual's right to privacy. Organizations must take your consent before collecting your data, use it only for specific purposes, and keep it secure. Companies generally need your explicit permission to collect and use your data. This means they can't just assume it's okay because you're using their service. Penalties for violations. If companies fail to follow the rules, they could face fines up to 250 crore rupees. Serious actions for serious violations. Businesses that handle your data have to keep it safe and use it fairly. If they don't, they can face penalties. Exemptions. Some exemptions apply for national security, public order, or emergencies like pandemics, ensuring the law is balanced. In essence, the DPDP Act is a big step towards online privacy in India. It empowers individuals to have more say in how their digital information is handled and makes companies more accountable for data protection. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023, empowers you while fostering a safe and secure digital economy. Your data, your rights.